Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are back with a brand new video where we will talk about how you can become a social media manager. Companies need to be on social media, and the best way for this to happen is by hiring a social media manager. An SMM specializes in these digital avenues and can act as the sole voice of a brand. Responding to comments, compiling campaigns, and creating content with guidance from the organization are some of the major responsibilities of a social media manager. There was a time not too long ago when social media managers weren't needed. Now, having one is essential for growing your business. This person can help with things like website traffic and even brand awareness through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Now, more companies are embracing social media for customer acquisition, and for this, social management is often essential. Now, let's talk about what social media managers do. Social media professionals specialize in a plethora of activities, including monitoring, moderating, responding to audience comments, creating and posting shareable videos or images that best represent a brand's message. They are also responsible for coming up with digital marketing campaigns and executing them, analyzing the data, and working on images or memes for their accounts. They track how much traffic is driven to the social media platforms and what content is performing best. These analytics are then used to grow the site's audience. A social media manager's first task is to implement a marketing plan. A strategy should be outlined, and a schedule for posts should also be created via collaboration with other employees or clients. This includes keeping track of what type of content to post on each social media platform and at what time. Let's talk about a few important roles and responsibilities of a social media manager. Firstly, creating a brand identity. Social media managers play a vital role in attracting and engaging customers by showing the unique value that the business can bring to them. Social media managers are responsible for increasing brand awareness, increasing customer loyalty, and boosting the number of visitors to the business's website. They do this by creating compelling content that attracts people to their posts. They must know what is trending in the news, what people are talking about in social media, and who their target audience is before they can create content that will make an impact. Communication is also a key responsibility of a social media manager. This role is integral for determining how often you post on each social channel and also overseeing customer replies. If you are looking to increase engagement on social media, it's important to have a dedicated person in charge of this for your company. This person will work with the other company departments to determine the best frequency for posting on each channel and will be responsible for responding to comments made on your posts. A social media manager is a promotional strategy guru. Social media managers provide you with an in-depth insight into various forms of advertising and how they work. This can be information on paid ads, organic traffic, and influencer marketing. Social media managers provide you with the knowledge and experience needed to make this decision. They can assist you in determining the best platform for your business and teach you how to optimize your profile to increase traffic and visibility through various promotional methods. They also make sure to outline a conversion strategy. A social media manager learns a lot about your followers and what they care about. They also try to gauge the pain points of the customers. By using this knowledge, a social media manager suggests ways of converting social media fans into customers. Next is visual design strategies. A good social media manager will help in every step of the way to make your online presence cohesive with your brand. Social media has become a vital part of marketing in today's world. A social media manager will help you create visually appealing content and manage your company's online presence, of course, keeping the tonality of the brand in mind. Social media managers have an engagement strategy in place. Your social media manager listens and responds to your audience across all channels. This increases conversion rates and improves customer relationships. Being a social media manager seems a very glamorous job, but it has its challenges as well. With social media being so dependent on timely content, staying up with the latest trends can be extremely difficult. It is the responsibility of a social media manager to know what's currently trending in your industry at all times. Basically, it is a 24/7 job that requires you to be well-versed with all the trending news of the industry. Even though it seems demanding, it's not monotonous in nature and will give you the scope for a lot of experimentation with your tasks. Now, we will mention a few skills that you require to be a social media manager. Writing. With social media becoming ubiquitous in modern society, it's no surprise that the social media manager role is booming. With each network requiring a different style of writing, it's vital that social media managers must have good writing skills and sound knowledge of grammar. Understanding social media platforms is very important. If you're aiming for a job as a social media manager at a company, make sure you know how to make use of the social media platforms such as Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Twitter, Quora, etc. You can learn these skills over time through experimentation on various platforms. Well-versed in analytical tasks. Being able to determine what content resonates with your customers requires a certain level of analytical knowledge. A few tools that can help you do this are Sprout Social, HubSpot, Hootsuite to name a few, but there are many others out there. Research skills and timeliness. You need to stay up to date with the ever-changing world of media. This includes new tools, metrics, industry trends, and knowing what your competitors are doing even on a day-to-day basis. Social media managers use Google Alerts for staying updated on popular topics and use tools like RFs, Feedly, and BuzzSumo to keep up with trending content. There are more tools out there to do the same. Research is conducted in a timely manner so that the SMM experts do not miss out on the ongoing trends. With this, we come to the end of this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you want to see more videos like these. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Don't tune out just yet. Check out the description because we have some amazing freebies and links just for you. And if you're up for more video from us, check out the 2 videos that is popping up on the screen right now.